In this video, I'm going to show you how I make a wrap flare skirt. So I have about 3 meters of this 12 fabric. I already folded it in bias. So I need half of my waist measurement. So I'm gonna divide it by 2. So I got 16.5. So I'm gonna add that 16.5 to my waist measurement. So I got 49.5. So I'm gonna take that 49.5 and I'm going to divide it by 3.14. You can do that to the measurement that you are working with. So I'm going to be marking 15 inches. I'm working with inches on that fabric. So like I said, I already folded the fabric in bias form. So there I was marking 15 inches. I placed my tape measure at the corner there, as you see. Then I added half an inch for joining at the bottom. So I went on to mark the length of the skirt. The length of the skirt is 42 inches. So that is what I was marking, 42 inches. Already added the hemming allowance on that 42 inches. So then after I was done marking it, I went on to cut the skirt. So this is it. I cut the skirt. This is the skirt. It will wrap on your waist perfectly. So this is it. So I already folded 2 times at the bottom and hem it. I hem the skirt times at the bottom. So I'm going to use this bias tape and this trim to decorate the skirt. So yeah, please subscribe if you find any value in this video. So if you can draw lines to follow when you are sewing your bias tape. So I already sewed the first line. I place it on top of the other line that I made when I was hemming. So I have matching thread, red and yellow. For the bobbin, I'm going to use green thread, so your skirt will come out neatly inside and at the top. So like I said, here I was top stitching the bias tapes to decorate the skirt. So the first stitch is on the, see, I went on to sew I was using my foot as a guide to sew these trims. But if you are new to sewing, you can just measure lines. I wasn't measuring, I was just sewing. So yeah, after a whole day, this is what you see, I already folded the center front 2 times. So I went on to also cut the waistband. The waistband is 5 inches, the width of the waistband. So yeah, this is the skirt. You see, I already joined the waistband of the skirt. You see, just mark the middle, then I join the skirt. See, the skirt is so beautiful. Unazwe weskirt usithandile kakhulu. Yeah, so yeah, this is the skirt. It was so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, and commenting and subscribing, and yeah, thank you.